morning, my dear students. Today, I would like to explain market intervention policy and import substitution. Basically, import substitution is substituting the imported goods with the locally produced goods in order to meet the internal demand. That is, instead of consuming the goods produced by the domestic economy, we are consuming the commodities which are produced by various other nations. So, import substitution is mainly substituting the imported goods with the domestically produced goods. That is for meeting the internal demand. Okay? That is, the institution or the organization that will make this protection is the government. Government is responsible for this import substitution. Government can do this not only through tariffs, quotas, but also through exchange rate, price of the factors of production, and interest rate. Clear? In short, import substitution is a strategy that appreciates the local production via government intervention to the whole economy. That is, as a result of the implementation of this import substitution, which can appreciate the local production. Okay? So, government can intervene in the economy. Import substitution is an aggressive economic policy that should be employed by emerging economies, mainly to promote domestic production and self-sufficiency in many sectors. Okay? Import substitution is also mainly introduced to provide added protection to domestic industries, namely tariffs, import quotas, government loans at subsidized rates of interest. Okay? This also encourages many people to start new production units. The various economies can adopt this import substitution policy to protect the budding industry, to protect the infant industry from the international competition. It has also easily attained the economies of scale due to large-scale production. Okay? This was mainly done to reduce the dependence on other countries. The economies also adopted various policies to protect the industry. Indian industry could not be expanded to its full potential due to the lack of sophisticated basic infrastructure. Our industry is not at a developed stage or not at a high level in the case of basic infrastructure facilities. We are depending on other nations for the infrastructure facilities. So, import substitution or market intervention policy and import substitution is very essential for our economy to develop at the high level or develop to the future or develop at the full potential level. Okay? Thank you very much, my dear students, for patient listening. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.